Hi everyone, welcome to Astronumero. So today, Mars and Rahu have come together in the second house of the Kalpurush Kundli, that is in the Taurus zodiac sign. This combination of Mars and Rahu is called as the Angarak Yoga. Now, as the name suggests, Angarak means Angar, which means violence. It also means a lot of fights, war-like situations and riots. The second house represents family relations, finances, economy, banking sector, communications. So, when Mars and Rahu are forming an Angarak Yoga in this house, it indicates that there are going to be troubles in relations with family members. There are going to be fluctuations in the economy as well. And due to your speech, because you are going to be affected by very petty things, you may get irritated, you may get frustrated, feel angry, and due to this, you are going to not have control over your speech, your communication. Due to this, you are going to be extremely rude. There could be like a volcanic eruption of words from your mouths, due to which there are going to be strained relations. So you have to take care to not get affected. And Rahu is all about thoughts, whereas Mars is all about actions. So obviously there are going to be good side as well as the bad sides of this combination. Now, when you know that Mars is all about action and Rahu is all about thoughts, if you keep your thoughts good, your actions are going to be good. And if your thoughts are bad, you are certainly going to react badly. So, this combination that is going to last for the next 50 days until the 13th of April 2021, you need to keep a check on your thoughts mainly, because that is going to drive your actions. If you are understanding your tendency that you generally do not get angry, but it is only during this period that very petty issues are making you feel agitated or get angry suddenly, then you should calm your mind. You are not supposed to take things to heart. Because if you do that, you are going to feel insulted by a statement, due to which you may become rebellious and lose your control over the communication and your words, leading to problems. Now, as Rahu is placed in the second house, it also aspects the 10th house of the Kundli. Now, 10th house indicates the house of occupation, which means that when you do not have control over your speech, there are going to be issues at your workplace as well, especially with your superiors. So, you are supposed to keep working hard. All those who are expecting a promotion should not get into any arguments or debates with anyone at workplace. Just in general, an advice to everyone is to reserve your opinions, reserve your thoughts, and do not say it unless and until asked for. Please do not keep giving your advice everywhere, otherwise you may land into trouble. So understand that a mere 50 days period should not let you get agitated to an extent where it spoils the relations for future. Now, when Rahu gets placed in the second house, Ketu automatically gets placed in the 8th house, as they are like the two ends of a node. Now, 8th house represents the house of secrets, diseases, and the job of Ketu is to bring everything to the forefront. The job of Ketu is to reveal the reality. As much as Rahu is all about illusions and putting you into a completely different thought process, Ketu is someone who brings you back to reality. And as Ketu is placed in the 8th house of secrecies and diseases, there is going to be a sharp rise in the COVID-19 cases. You shall also see some shocking revelations in the field of banking and economy. So all those who are investing in share market should be aware that the extreme rise in the Sensex has some hidden reasons behind it. So please invest carefully. And since Mars is also one of the indicators of the real estate sector, we will see that due to the combination of Rahu and Mars forming the Angarak Yoga, there are going to be disputes related to land. Especially there could be disputes in family for property. There could also be a global impact where there are already border tensions going on which may aggravate. And also chances of the farmers' protests that are going on will also take a violent turn. There could also be possibilities of earthquakes or fire-related accidents. So this is the period to keep working hard as much as you can. The harder you work, the better will be the results. Do not let Rahu and Mars drive you. Instead, use that extreme energy towards something positive and work towards it. So now that we know the problem, we should work upon the solution. And the solution is to stay calm, stay silent, do not give your opinions, do not speak much, stay as cool as possible. Try to refrain from having much social interactions and try to smile as much as you can, because this is just a period of 50 days. Please understand, only a matter of 50 days should not spoil your entire future, mainly because of your speech. Because the words that you say will never come back and all that you're going to be left with is regret. So stay calm, stay silent, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share it with your loved ones so that they can also save their relations and save themselves too. This period is going to be specifically heavy for those who are belonging to the Taurus and Scorpio zodiac signs. You really need to take care. Otherwise, it's going to be devastating. So please channelize your energy in the positive directions. Also, this period is going to be difficult for people who are belonging to the Leo, Virgo, Capricorn and Pisces zodiac signs. So I wish you all a very, very happy, calm and peaceful period. Stay happy, stay calm and keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.